Welcome to Kiddy Creations! Hello, kiddos! Today we're going to make a super fun drawing. So grab your sketchbook and colors and let's get started!
1 2 3
Flies in the buttermilk shoe fly shoe. Flies in the buttermilk shoe fly shoe. Flies in the buttermilk
4
shoe fly shoe. Skip to my Lou, my darling. Lou, skip to my Lou, Lou.
5
Skip to my Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou, skip to my Lou, my darling. Cats
6
in the cream jar, ooh, ooh, ooh. Cats in the cream jar, ooh, ooh, ooh.
7
Cats in the cream jar, ooh, ooh, ooh. Skip to my Lou, my
8
darling.
9 10
Cows in the pasture, moo, moo, moo. Cows in the pasture, moo, moo, moo. Cows in the pasture, moo, moo, moo. Skip to my Lou, my darling. Lou, Lou, skip
bluey green color,
Lou, skip to my Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou.
yellow color,
Lou, my darling. Little red wagon painted blue. Little red wagon painted blue. Little red wagon
pink color,
painted blue. Skip to my Lou, my darling. Lou, skip to my Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou.
blue color,
Skip to my Lou, skip to my Lou, my darling. Off to Texas 2x2.
purple
Off to
color,
Texas 2x2. Off to Texas 2x2. Skip to my Lou, my darling. Lou,
red color,
skip to my Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou, skip to my
brown
Lou,
color,
my darling.
gray color,
Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my
dark
partner,
pink
what'll
color,
I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Skip to my Lou, my darling.
green color,
Lou, skip to my Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou.
orange color,
Lou, skip to my Lou, skip to my Lou, my darling. Found my partner, love is true. Found my
1
partner, love is
2
true. Found my partner,
3
love is true.
4
Skip to my Lou, my darling.
5
Lou,
6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 orange color, green color, pink color, blue color, dark green color, red color, peach color, purple color, gray color, brown color, yellow color, dark blue color, Dark pink color. Blue color.
Now I know my ABCs. Next
Green
time,
color.
won't you sing with me?
Orange color. Light brown color. Peach color. Red color.
Hickory dickory dock,
Dark green color.
mouse ran up the clock struck one, the mouse ran down.
11,
Hickory dickory
12,
dock, tick
13,
tock, tick
14,
tock.
15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Hickory dock.
Wow, that was such a fun drawing. If you enjoyed it, we'll see you in the next video with another fun idea. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye, kiddos.